Today I want to share with you all the reasons why I'm so bullish on Best Incorporated, ticker symbol BEST, in the medium and long term. I'd like to show you the big macro picture, as also I'd like to go back and analyze how we got to this point. So the reasons why I believe that we are at the bottom and why I think that we are approaching a reversal season. Behind the trade here, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe by clicking the button at the bottom right part of the screen. This will definitely help the channel to grow and will be so much appreciated. As usual, this video is based on a 100% pure technical analysis approach. And as usual, let me introduce a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and these are not financial advices. These are just personal thoughts, personal opinions, and I invite you to do your own due diligence, okay? Let's start from the weekly chart. As I told you, I want to see the big picture first. So the price is currently dancing, okay, around the 0.93, 0.94 level. Okay, why? Because if we draw this purple horizontal line, we see that the first support we have, which is actually now a resistance, is given by these lows in July and August 21st. Okay, so this is the first resistance that was previously support that we have to consider. But differently to what most of the traders and investors around think, I do not focus only on horizontal lines of support. Okay, I'd like also to focus on always static resistance and supports, but even diagonal, meaning connecting either lower lows or higher highs, as it is in this case. So if we draw these red lines here, we will see that we have lower lows and we are making higher highs. Okay, this is a very important and also pretty rare technical pattern, which is called megaphone. Okay, megaphone because this recall a megaphone and this is actually the pole of the megaphone. Okay, so you see it pretty clear. This is usually an important reversal point. It gives us the idea that the price is charging its battery, is charging like an elastic, okay, to explode afterwards. This is a very important signal, guys, to me. And not only this, so to me, in this case, just before I go ahead, in this case, this line here represents the support, and not only this, okay? So in my opinion, we are already reacting for a support. We are reacting from a support here already, and we're bouncing from here, and we are trying to regain the middle of the megaphone, trying to cover this gap here that we left at around 157, 156, okay? This is an important point. This is a gap in the weekly chart, guys. It's true that the gaps are not always covered. This is absolutely true. But in the weekly chart, having a gap in the weekly chart means a lot to me. So, megaphone pattern here, a gap at the 156, 157 in the weekly chart, higher highs, lower lows, price is charging like an elastic. This is the first sign that we are reacting pretty well. Another sign that I would like to share with you is the decrease in volume. Look the volumes here in this fall. Do you really believe that the market is willing to drop the price to get best delisted, as many people are saying, with these volumes here in the decline? I don't believe so, honestly. If I had seen big volumes here in these drops, that I could have told you, yes, you're probably right. But with these volumes here, I'm very, very, very comfortable that we are not really getting delisted and that we are regaining the $1 in the next daily sessions. Okay, so this is a first macro picture. So I'm not considering intraday movements, I'm looking at the weekly chart. In addition to this, guys, I would like to focus on two other important points. The first one is look again at the volumes in the relevant weekly bullish candle. Okay, look at these two candles here. Look at the volumes. It's true, we had a strong drop here, but after this candle here with this big volume, the volumes disappeared completely. Okay, so the most important of this two green candles is, in my opinion, the weekly candle that we had on September 20th. Why? Let me explain you why. And to understand why I believe that this candle here, that it's circled in black, is the most important one, I would enlarge the view and I would zoom out to show you how the price went out from this yellow channel, descending channel, that was created, let's say, from January 21st of 2020, if we want to make it a little bit bigger. And the price went out from here on August 30th with this candle here, okay? And then with the candle of September 20th, the price confirmed his willingness to break this almost 2 years downtrend, this 2 years channel. With these volumes here, guys, we are saying, the market is saying, I'm willing to go out of this channel and to change the trend, okay? So why I believe that in the long term the price might reach, I'm telling you now, my medium long term target. So we take the height of this channel, we project it to the place where it was broken, which it was around September 21st. If we project this height, we will be reaching the $287, okay? $287. Let's look at one other thing. Is it a casual number or not so casual? Okay, so first of all, we can see that here we have this resistance line, which is also matching with our target. But let me do a double check. Let's take Fibonacci retracement, if my trading view tool allows me to do. It's pretty slow today, so I apologize for this. So let's take Fibonacci level from the highs of January 20th until the bottom of that we had here in January 22nd. And we see, guys, look here, we see that our first target at around 290, 289 is very close to the 38.2% retracement of Fibonacci levels, which means that it's not a casual number. After this drop here, the price is telling us that probably he would like to reverse and he would like to try to retrace this down move at least until the 38.2 level of Fibonacci retracements. So $3. This is my first target. I'm not selling any single share until the price reaches the $3, okay? And these are the reasons why. So I do not want to say I'm holding until $3 because I believe the company is strong. I want to hold because everybody in the forum is saying that. I want to hold because I have reasons shown by a weekly chart that the market is willing to react and to change its intention. Okay? So, big reversal megaphone. Downtrend channel broken with volume on the week of September 20th and a gap to be filled at around 156, 157. I think these are pretty important reasons why we should be patient, we should not panic, and I personally do not believe in the delisting risk for all these reasons. Be patient, be calm, and everything is gonna be alright. This is my opinion. I hope you like this video, and I look forward to upload new updates on Best Incorporated. Please do not forget to subscribe and to click at the bells button to be notified anytime the new video will be released. And thank you so much for watching.